Okay, determine the focus and directrix of the parabola with the given equation. X squared is equal to 12y. So since we don't have h and k, so our vertex is at the origin or 0, 0. So since this is the equation, x squared is equal to 12y, we're expecting that our parabola is opening upward. So axis of symmetry is at x is equal to 0. So if our parabola is opening upward, this is the vertex at 0, 0. So the axis of symmetry is actually maagi mo dyan na siya sa vertex. And that's equal to the x coordinate of the vertex, which is 0. So x is equal to 0. So x squared is equal to 4cy is the standard equation of the parabola that is opening upward. So atong given x squared is equal to 12y. So the 12 is actually the value of 4c. So to get the value of c, nato ning 12. So 4c is equal to 12. So divide both sides by 4. So c is equal to 12 divided 4, which is 3. So c is equal to 3. And our parabola is opening upward. So since c is equal to 3, so from the vertex, you count 1, upward, 2, 3. So this is the focus. So at 1, 2, and 3. So our focus is at 0, 3. Remember, the focus is always devoured by the opening sa atong parabola. Kung asa ang opening, dito po ang ato ang focus sa ato ang parabola. Okay, so for the directrix, that's the C opposite the focus. So from vertex, we count 1, 2, 3. So here is the directrix at that's -1, -2, and -3. So our directrix is equal to y equals -3. So again, x squared is equal to 12y. So let's determine the focus. So ganina atong determined by just counting it through a figure. But assuming there's no figure in atong gidraw, so let's determine the focus by the value nga naata, which is ang c is equal to 3. So our f is equal to hk plus c. Our h and k is the vertex. So ang vertex nato is at 0, 0. Since the axis of symmetry of our parabola is vertical, ano itong parabola? Vertical. So, mag-retain na ang value sa ato ang h. Ang adan lang nato sa itong c is ang y coordinate or ang k. Pero kung ang axis of symmetry is vertical, horizontal, example like this one, so ang atong c, i-add na to sa h and ma-retain na ang k. So again, ang axis of symmetry na to is vertical. So we will add c sa y coordinate or sa k. So ang h na to is 0, ang k is 0, plus the value of c, which is here, 3. So ang atong focus is 0 and 3. While the directrix is the opposite sa to ang focus from the vertex. So ganina gi-plus man na to ang K plus C. So karon i-subtract na to ang K sa C. So K minus C. So atong directrix is horizontal. So it is so Y. So Y is equal to K minus C. So Y is equal to 0. Ang atong A, okay, sa K 0 minus ang C is 3. So it is negative 3. Our directrix now is at Y is equal to negative 3. Same with our figure. Kung kakalibog tag inani nga style, it is easier if we draw our parabola and count the value of C para mas dali ang pag-plotting. Mas dali ma-determine ang focus and the directrix. So always draw your parabola so you can, there's a guide for you to determine the points of your parabola. Okay, so here is the graph of our example. So x squared is equal to 12y. Our vertex is at 0, 0. So here is the vertex at 0, 0. Our parabola, since the equation is positive, so it is opening upward. The axis of symmetry is at x is equal to 0. C is equal to 3. So from vertex, you count 1, 2, 3. We can determine the focus above the parabola, since the parabola is opening upward, and then, so that's 3. So focus is at 0, 3. And then, ang directrix is below our vertex, since above man ang atong focus from the vertex, so below po ang directrix sa atong vertex. So count 1, 2, 3 sa atong C. So at y is equal to negative 3. So it's easier sa ato ang if we plot and draw our parabola. Okay?